Lia Chumesi na enchebia ono so ne nyom bi nyame na so de ababonti we pa hotuma corona mani na kadem kakra but we dey obepia na that's right okay see dem see twa kon dey na me twa ne sa na me famwie and that's what I see most of the times yeah they over be friend controversial that's one dey no controversial prophet but in no boa we your the memory verses ne better ata also for ata also upon
yes what
wakasa mbebe also
mitio
oka bibi fa Ezekiel say emuboye ondi muboye na muboye na aka wasemi
say Ewurade kasa kire odi for Isaac say ade a wode nani ehunu no wondi ntino o se na o mamedi enwoma emuboye
na say Ewurade asem
na say Ewurade asem twe konkron no o ka kire ne say onsua
enyo won so tina asem radio all right oh so he's my chairman or sorry penny what's maybe I'm credit down on the bed too which mean also of penny and dinanim and say also penny awo yentina say no kra watch ya so be watch ya his name is Mr. Odame Bishop
hi
mama deny kasi basality because say they will see attack on the DM say e bia no kra ka be bishop ni afama on boko dem
nyamiado
ya the radiasi na and that's your way you
yeah and enkoyi but eya na yin na pese ko heaven but heaven on before be ko heaven this will answer internet the menu about pese ko heaven here dey na kwa chef ohun no aye the radio
aso wa manya ko pa friend so ambra na so no de ne pedi kai o
unse me se me ko heaven se me sisi ya me ko maka abo me na makwanta because assassin so anu o she
na me sa be dey first work no enu ntimi stop me heaven ko no
I don't know se me se me ko de any an kamen kwanta se me ntwa manya ko
ya ko be de de obepe me sa
because
that's right all right, so let me get back to the controversial man. I'm so hard, but me say no can. It's maybe I can say when controversial. Nada chega for.
Senior.
Apo
Divine selection akaye bi.
The cinema to almost here. Let me also DSC no. Yes, your divine selection no.
Exactly.
The Asia be you already made it one. Eti ene yakomo de na akwakodina ade ya friend pride see you can pride ade plan pride because last week I'm saying penifo share no mo discuss be about the entia yentimi empia obi a oye ade papa yentimi empia na ma nkoso you say the word fruit dia papa kwati ade papa aba na kono na ka empia no na so ye hu se wo pa na akwakwati na enfrim babusuem enfrim me de ya se bebo wudi no se sister ofilia no woto ni mo de ba bonti se so fata na ba wetan radio so ne kan fa nche pull him down instead of pull him up. And then so ye bisa say e dey be kwa friend pride ana pride no class my santi ho word ba kwa menim say ne say dia na say dia sa no motia proud say ka so be pride and be a proud omo sa na say bia omo yanuafo ne bia bibi na ma omo so ba say san kwa bi so ye di ho komo na ya ye nti enyo bi ase na ya enyo bi ase because me share obi o ba bi na bia ase bia me ka chere me say ase ma me ka no me wrong say them so for bi ka say no say no ase ma wo ka no yes and it na me so for you praise also the whole can dey encourage you to musi and kebeboa you never say hey as we are proud pal na be part of contest na eno anu na ana say bia manya ade bi na me di nkunim na me hoahoa me ho sa ade ni mu hey abranti wo pride pal the part of contest na eno anu na me penifo wa say obeboa ama yetimi ate sa enwoma na ase eyi asa na so enko kese pa ema eye pk last week ya me shira wo gina mu ma ne ye fe Sounds like Dave Kate's kitchen. Dave Kate's kitchen. Be patch on the old boy. I show more. No, put the comment as well. I'm the corner friend. I show more. And they come on our boy. I come ready and be a view. The next I say, Kobe is why day.
I say, yeah, we are good distribution.
I'm missing your kind of partner. That's my cousin Kobe. Being Kobe. Dave Kate's kitchen. Patch on ASN Bob. Kobe, your one. Maybe I need all sort of event. I will be as a lunching pool. Said it. Sit and feel about lunch. You know. Nasa or see a several in your name. Oh, see a ha. If you will be as a refreshment. Be a proper bema. Be patch on Dave Kate's kitchen. On best several. Come on. Sounds like open to my papa. Efra party. But I say African food. No see African to me. Now I share was African to my dear. Obepe Amayana. Oma. Yesterday at Antime Studio has it. It is a wood ASN ban for fun. Mapacho. And cook Bibri. And Coach Bibri. That's one until question 3 minutes. Now we do ASN Tash Trasse number 6. Pacho unique African tester. Unique African tester. Such a papa fee. African to make now Pacho why wholesale quality but very very affordable. For Nakwajo would dear. Okama to Sudan. What was it that talk now so pounds so cotton? Wamana you foresee that be our I would have 5 rupees to scrap on and how be because short man now what top and the man surprise. And I don't know. 8 Mr. August, what is CEO, a unique African tester. SN Tash Trasse number 6. We'll do S now, not about 3 minutes. But what Roman channel, the Roman didn't come on, you'll pay piano, piano because you're the book, you're grabbing a baby can, whatever put him up, now so be Yamisha, you rat to make it one. And a year besides pride, and your friend of pride, and a pride of a car. A couple saying, you could be saying, Madame Cecilia, see the ladies first. The Messiah chassis from man, I said, meaning through a beer. Also, I do call execute, my chassis through. Also, you can't pride. Pride, you can't find Brian Cassa, ye fee. You can't pride, nice a homaso, and as a hunter, another one. Ahomaso, will be Ahomaso, as work. Okay, as a man, come here in the other way. I'm in pride, Nankasan. Also, say, I see you can't. HSA.
Can Ahomasoa. Ahomaso, nipa, one okay. And I will fancy Suba and send you city. And then you know, a general Cassayo. And I may who say Ahomaso a day. Oh, so what I say? And you know, what kind of chapter 12, 36 and 37 now? Radio Sukiso can be all. Was since him who be allowed be free when you pay no more ban. A radina will no more some subu pim, no when I will no more some subeni. A boo for it. Ye come home, Ahomasono, a say Ginahoma, a we are see you soup. A little Sanso, when you go upon a doom, I'm braseful. Now, one hour more wants to know your coupons yesterday, a brewancy. Now, Ahomasoya, dear, be I had to say, when Nipa say, Bibi, Onipanya, we are seeing Bibi, one, a big to me, dear. Onipanya to me, not Ahomasoya day, Abanimu. Onipanya Sika, not Ahomasoya day, Abanimu. Say, Obisu Hana Homaso, Odina Hofechi. Obisu Diana Hofe.
Good. We are not getting anything positive out of Ahomaso, our work as a seer. My member, Mr. Damisona, maybe say, Obama boss, member, and I warm up because the introduction, Mr. Tiflo. Say, you know, may I research me when you know, said pride. Pride means Ahomaso. Anna, your castle will be prouder. And also Ahomaso. And also
pride a word. Okay. Which you want. Pride and a word, Cassia.
Okay.
Out of my pride album. A honor, disrespect war.
Out of the contest, pride, no, and you're proud, no.
Yeah.
Okay, young.
Down when you disrespect. Sad disrespect, no, when you show off.
Okay.
When you, we will say, self glory. Pride in man. But then you will be your trophy.
Okay.
Into which pride the moon in a pan any of some.
That's right.
So I can John 8:44 or say a trophy in a jar and not any bonsam. Once a bonsam you're proud. Very, very pride. I don't know where I was through. I don't know what I said, baby, and Yakupontino. About to free one. No akwa di Yakopon ahini you know. Na Yakopon say no, who are you? Damn you. No then the bathroom. Pride the fish for buy. The pride be obi a de bi akoso ye no say me aneme. Sa ni pa no. No be can be any right. Of course no can be a right. On person be better no. Obi be beat no. Ahomaso no I don't know.
Good. Ahomaso I don't know. On person obi ebe sign home and I say be a obi ebe bro so. Nana what clear me because what by name say na voice na te kwa kakra but
emu shedanti sa be me fa ne
but ebeti. Now me share the context of pride and proud no. One say obi beti maka be say Nana Che achievements yeah when you I take pride in the when I say me nya ho oh Nana Che achievement what me enye Sister Ophelia ba Edru University I am proud of
exactly
many J and I mean me ho me ewo pempenswa wakwakodru. When somebody talks about something of this sort in this category, that means more or less very positive.
Exactly.
But the context in which we are using pride and being proud, can we say it's mostly of Ahomaswo than Nepapemo?
Yo midasi bibre michia for michia kangaroo court or the executives. So this week yenya de bit machia de but more before from the count money any idea. Well the all cano was the most no and I cano on the negative side most of the times. Was young crophobia idea koya yetimi pia bonting on with all full support. Say say I am a say we know we do some pensu way. Na me digina baby na me di tube ho on time tennis
na say I can't be seen last week the more discussing
pulling down side there ye di ji ejina bonti kan sister we are chire no hu ne makoro ntimi anyese na say ni kunukura mpo ne eni na me ka say bia be ma bi odi na chi we be 7 meters was those kind you most of in our languages most of the times. But on the young comrade in Yinana, where says, pride na I can say, that is what I make a breaking over Benyamun a yibe brave. But most any year, Yijina baby so your babies as a no, as a soft can be said, mia nemia. So, and Tuntuma, you put many adibu, you say, Okradia, we say, I didn't dinner, but so be Jim. Say no. Near so first no car, but say Petru Ekunu. On one regions or yet Mama Petru and a car. But so Jacka and Essu because a Hianintino. And on a can go no Bobbesia, Edia to Petru.
Good. Not just say, Uncle Mitiona.
Yeah, no, no, quite be say, who's a horse babino. Ne pride be no Ekunu. Who's a Nusukumo. Ekum. Meanwhile, I didn't want to say, men come in to miss idea we see. Come here partnership. But when you say partnership, the count no be so in collaboration with or in partner with now a hiano. And you know better now, Mariano, say banners do deadlines or no draw and no draw no which is you die out of pride. But only among blacks.
Okay.
Which a dear in power, sir, I deal with him. So to say, Bible crackers about though you mean whether it's in the Bible or whatever. Baku for sent me Catania mean. Thank you. Inti a basana, a true happiness on Yamu, or Baba Java to gas, Miniamo, they say the other new. And to why you're ready to be an hour in idea. And come and let's join hands together and then work together, Debbie. On Ugo Homes or Bago collapse. You see, that is a order the Akanako.
Good, Mesaba, Mr. Damo, but before then, no, Minyaba, Yanka baby. So, Sister Ophelia, Anna, a hosty, Yem regiment, you on SM radio. Then, Nanache comes in, and Nanache is like, Miss Kawo Boami might be a commission who had named so maybe a Mrebu, a mission by a programmer, a babua. Then, Sister Ophelia, me na mema wakwenya, na wobra, because Begame Fabian, Sister Ophelia in Yabo. So one Nasem radio day, Odi Hema. It will be so interested now, so person or banner or Guama at an extension be them. Now, me walk me in my achievement, failing to accept another person to join me in the team. me can say a fear in disguise and I be friends I'm one as I'm as one. And you like fear.
There be any fear, any bread. What I say, and your friend is saying, say, we are Jumawa, and I may me a Juma as me fee say, Mr. Cheba for our idea, be obey me the upper bois. And now me dear me no matter what hunting, me best Cheba for no, a beba, because my dream me say, Obama me meeting so a day. Akata, a yahoma so.
Na mebo nana eba mo din so akata no enye suro na osuro nana nim dia wode ba beka o montina because you want to cover yourself in your own pride.
I no ka ho bi ni nyina ka bom pride no
ba sa obeba ma odin so atena wetimi ho awo say
any one thing because me hu nana obi a ahanta won mu bia hu obi a obetima kọ nanim abrabo ma wo hu
antu wabe threat amano
sanity and when am I yentimi ko ye ni muda e wo bibia wo because office wonu any bibia na so wo ya de na sana na balance of the support na say be ya why don't you give him the chance or so the chance ni ma no so be try hwe and no ma wo di nya hwe obeboa ama say na sem radio say Adom FM station ni nyina koso a yakoso ma mu nyina but enye obi na wo sa
no bia and wo sa again no esa say pride no say betuntum for your kan ya fa so control ya bia your friend pride me ba me so that so sisi ya Eddie said, I think I to us here with you. Me Kai was say, "Hey, yam radio may be on some radios na patch with you no." Here discuss say idea friend of pride. Ahoma so. Say how city ahoma so say fast. Because from your discussions I hear the nice say ya akoye say before esu ene wo moban bi and aba be part of before any year as compared to omo free foreign lands so no. But me Mr. Damian Sana ya sample when I'm too for so many opinion be an issue na me who say no papa idea we there nyame no krani anka me gidi sanka woji tum say na ke ni say ya anka beboa but papa nim se woni akwala na kasa na wontimi begu ne dem asese enti no wo beso won hye wo so ama wonyi ntum se wo mu no afom enti ho sa no se akwala so wonyi ntum because wo hu se no de ko ne de anka papa na wronga papa timi etemo me se me proud Anna can that be considered as proud from one perspective or one natural to say me proud no? Do we take it as proud?
No. Enter into me and silence want a mentality. There will be a friend mentality. They say African mentality. Say when you penny quality dear summer, Baumission aquala is at fault, which is impossible. It's impossible. Aquarana some no can. Oh, you're right. But instead, some make us say, "Oh, you're right." No penny make us say, "Oh, me, very sorry. My mistake." So I do apologize. I had the mind. I had the mind. No, and your pride. Name a come out penny no more quite foolish. You're going to me for. Okay. But you charge me for the young country penny no. Name one person more train the back or so because I have a lady. But I no more if he said, inquire more or less. No, Yansa do what Yankopon de Achom. Yankopon, Omodi or the Yansan Chenny Pepia. Good Nakola. Papa, and now mammy. Why a mistake? Did to say my mistake. Nemo men can say, me are right. Now, Corano could read in the voice and say, Mamma, I dear we, for example, say Yako supermarket. Yako to idea. Apalana me do a china menu say we could have bag in our Tony Meguno. Man would definitely say what for BB Ashel bag. You could do what? Now say pin boy ya. Na mammy I say, Aqualan and a fashion bag.
Abra kwa ni mo hwe.
Akwara ni mo hwe. Na akwara kwa catch say, "Mama, I did not do that." I want our ye. I akwara fault na.
Debi.
I want mommy fault. Nti I didn't akwara mama where you atro. Nti I didn't about to catch akwara ye proud. Oh, pride ye ade bia. Obi oni Kristo ni no. Ana oni Nyankopon asem no. Ana se onye no fum so ntum. Ono na Jesus a word man, pride man. Anka pride ye ade bia. A very bad word. So be you so pride mama. Excuse me. Go on your knees and go to that person and ask him or her, say, there be a friend pride. Then am I will use that word pride for me. Just explain to me. But I first say pride no, I can't say a boss body be my hey, me them proud my or you're proud no. A curse.
You can say you're proud a case. Majina Mr. Damian some was man sana masa aba we are proud now Penina Mr. Damian says we are wrong also the two so you're wrong. And yet ahomas one ntina ama won't mean into na wo pese chinchina wo de sha kwala.
Job 32 verse 6 ya. Job ka sembi. Emfidudo enjire nyansa.
Thank you.
Enye wana wanyini pinko na seso mu hu na temu. Nemo huhu otufo Nyankopon ahome gu odasani mu. Eno na ma me huhu.
That's right.
Na me suro se meka de ebinim ma kire mu. Eti se na kasa wi a me a me ya bofra no me nso me kire de eminim.
That's right. Eti that's what was a little finance and I say sebi nyansa ni penyu ko enti. Enti no
na otufo Nyankopon ahome gu odasani mu no. Eno na ma no huhu.
But ya radio who say within some me kakra me nimfa mrofo me nim say bia bibia say bia akwala ne panyi anya issue na akwala kan okra che panyi na bia waka say bia ne
sa asem wo hwe ne ya tse na me brai kan ya enye Job na kan ya ne mo ya akwala bi na ka che Job akwala bi na ka che Job meaning say akwala ne person che papa ne say wo no fo say wanyini but enye dwene ene nyini a wanyini ne mu me a me ya akwala no na mo kana nya ampa
that's right
come adwen a chero nti me pacho koso bi mo na kana
oni na so so ya papa ere bone na
yeah
but me say say community yedim ya ye asani aba yen African perspective but me ya papa me jidi say somehow that is the training na indirectly make sure kwala ni say onsuya because me ya papa me say my phone me na me fa ade no akwala na chiro say opani we wrong ade na person audition na say me person me dia to chichina me fa nche wa enye me ma ho maso ni me pride am wo be muntina me person me dia tum na makacha akwala say me sorry but me refer to akwala as proud simply because we can't na chemti no we are proud enye ne sanity
say also tembia no you say pani ni akwala ni asem
asaba aganye mentality
em akwala ni fo so what the pani di fo kura na ye de fo di be ma de akwala no African mentality bad so what you say
good ye pese ye clear no kura no ha ya African mentality na but ye pese ye hu pride ne sa proud I can wasem ba bia ejina ankasa ejina se ye fa African mentality dia na say enyia se ye ka pride ne proud no wasem
I say ye kasa obi ye proud e che say obi o ye poponi ni we ahomaso wo mu a wonye ni papa e boni Onyankopon kra na ni nye obi a ahoma hantan wo ni mu
okay
what I say according to Numbers chapter 12 the Bible say na Moses odwuche ni pe nyina wasase so enti wodi di fie nyina ye dai e hye ne nsa enti Moses de wo ye na ko a woni ne kasa ani so ni so so what I say enti obi a ahantan ahomaso wo mu no e boni e hye nyame ani munyam.
My member, Sister Ophelia, because a woman, Mamma Obama, was film back. Mr. Damika, baby, was it said, you catch yourself where you're prouder. I was all pen them could beside the crop here. Where you're, you can't ask
was a very big insult.
Good. Ain't you know, my who said, my dino cry will be. But no crana be crying, you know. I grant you where you're proud, pa. Where you're homas wapa. Sano, should I allow that overtake me? I was a away me. Na me nya dade twe ho enti ade pay pa na me ye enti ye frɛ na ho maso by telling me the truth
so wo ka asem no kra a kire obi no oton nation na be yisu no na beba ni pakoro aka say brawe or ye proud and I say ahantan ye den e wo no nipa wo kasa na ye den e kire Ben no kre pass asem no kre ni na sa wo kana se nipa no so ye proud me de me wo kan en fa me ho esan se minim se asem no no kre na wa de maka se man kan ni watam ana man kan kasa tia wo na ya asem no no kre na maka de wo kasa me ye proud I didn't know say me man ha me na se me jitu mu se de me kan no ne wo me ne wo kan no enye mu no kre na me kan mu ma ya wo bone e na wo kan na me de niema bi e brabra so ahantan ti se me bra me ho ase na maka se na me pa cho ye ntwa so no na me de ahantan kasa bi abehyehyɛ ho kɔde eno de wo kan na wo ye nipa na wo tena se twene na hu sa asɛm na kan ne no kra ene na wo so konkoto dwani na wo bompai
yeah, bet was, but before then, no, me can say when you mean your brother Africa, me cry in see. Definitely, you be more can you know accept because yeah, na you be who that will be my. It easy for them to fish us out. It's not you be doing come on. You maybe also you share na mo ye wo ho ne you maybe also you timi etutu ya kwan so eye wo ho. Na see you share pride and being proud na Kamia kwese pride no more of positive impact as compared to being proud. And I say me check in and say yeah can't proud maybe and I say proud and you may cause somebody be brave you arrogant you can't count umbobia where you bloated or self ego no when you say only one one you know my insight example in your idea na me you can be say tona what the back asan and I bet you say oye homaso and I say onya homaso Yeshe tone. Now me beside the next one. What has the tone got to do with assembly no krena? Ebiana me obi amekasa manuedi. Yeah. You obi so maybe o kasa de bia wo dadin. Obi so ma sabi wo horoso ti wo kasa edwanesa. Enti ebia per that condition no I tell you but I tell you that which is the truth. Enti no wo no ye panyi chen me anase ebia maka no kra che wo. Must you accept no kreno and follow the no kreno anase Ubeyi no krana to chen no consider say and kwaya me fa so ka kire wo krana no me ya homa so na ze no krana de wa ba to ogu is that how it's supposed to be
on say omu failure o ka no krana no so wadi fo a no akogina tun nechi uziana ye vise ye brewe o ye kuapim ni obeti bi si okuapim ni si me pa cho se o ya bia o da o ya boa pa cho se o ya boya get you right then on say it's ena on say oba ya santima muni ye madam muni enu nyom ye fe be fun full respect obi say ma kojo ti say oh ma yamia do me ho yo mpacho me ho ye kojo no wadi mpacho da bi kojo na ba nwe mpacho wa pie on say obet maka no as much as a on say ye fe be fun full respect
okay
obet ma ba say nipa no omuade but ya kire ni say you should we say mo
a home training
what does it those fun full respect never cover ni man dey never nanti na di twem ko ba bi a ofe. These are some of the examples. And then, oka asem no say, o say nipa na hu say oye pani but o de asem na pem ne bono. Ama na hu say wodi for. Yen sorry dem bebre bitimi si. E peja asem ne ba na so de pimani na say nipa na fi so ya sorry pani but asem we de apim ho no. Wa twi nanim, wa ka asem na ma na twi nanim a. Do be yan say o sorry peja ne meti na wa ka say na go betima tenase. But e bia na ade na twi say untumi control at that time na ma sorry ya o de kasa that way but as at it went say call good say call bad asem na ba he no why ana wonye that is the most important thing na ya braga say ya adwene say panyini akola ngodi asem ma panyi eni foda eni ye na de ti wiase a yeguso a ye bre and ye nya merenwi but ade a say mi fie say Oka chakola se odidi emani enkasa wo ti won so na odidi na se wo ye kola obefiri ni bedroom aka jo se o si mi didi e ma enkasa na de na wo de